Perfectly situated on the Cape Peninsula in the charming village of Noordhoek, you'll discover Afton Grove, a 4-star graded country retreat. Here, owners Chris and Louise Spengler have created a haven for nature lovers where the little things are important. Tastefully appointed Cape-style cottages are set in a tranquil bird-filled garden. The main lodge houses an interesting collection of historical relics and timber from various Cape properties. Tasty country breakfasts, hearty home-style dinners, and a superb local wine list complete the experience. In short, Afton Grove epitomizes country living, charm, comfort, and character.